हर जरूरतमंद को ऑक्सीजन मिले।
The Delhi government is not running away from its responsibility. From 50 oxygen beds, we have come to 18,000 oxygen beds over a span of 1 year. We've ramped up healthcare infrastructure in Delhi in a huge way. However, oxygen supply, oxygen shortage is an issue that has crept up, that has arisen over the last 72 hours in Delhi, and we have highlighted that before the union government. Supply is an issue. In fact, if supply and production of oxygen is not an issue, as the BJP representative claims, then why has oxygen for industrial use diverted for medical purposes? If supply was never an issue, if production of oxygen was never an issue, the fact is that the country is not producing as much as it's required to consume for medical purposes.
First of all, Raghav Chadha said Delhi government has ensured 18,000 beds in terms of availability. Let me tell you, be it the 10,000 bed COVID care facility, the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel facility which I am talking of at Chhatarpur, or be it the DRDO facility in Delhi near the airport, all these have come back with a vengeance to ensure that Delhiites don't suffer, thanks to two people, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah. So Arvind Kejriwal ji, जब दिल्ली वालों की हालत सुधर जाएगी तब ट्विटर पर आके अपने आप को शाबाशी जरूर दे देना. फिलहाल you just keep coming every few minutes on national television with those juvenile ads.
What are your main concerns at this moment? Do we genuinely have all the oxygen supply that's required? Because if we do, then why is there such a scarcity and so much shortage in so many hospitals that's being reported?
Rahul, we have to understand certain basic things. Earlier, oxygen was as a life-saving drug. Now, demand of oxygen has suddenly increased. It is being used as one of the medicine. More because of mass publicity कि ऑक्सीजन चाहिए. We have to have a proper distribution system.
People should not panic when they get positive with COVID. Then not everybody needs oxygen, so there is no need to hoard them in big amounts or large cylinders or for that matter oxygen concentrators. You know, the oxygen concentrators are selling at a huge premium. There is a big black market for oxygen concentrators, and I don't know why that is necessary, because most people at home don't need oxygen.
How soon can we resolve this oxygen shortage?
Kejriwal just now tweeted some hour back or hour and a half back that we have got in peace quota, and which is 480 metric tons for Delhi, which was earlier some 378 metric tons. So yes, there was some problem and it has been tackled, and then we are assuring.
While we do thank the union government for finally being generous and increasing our demand, the situation in Delhi is grim, Mr. Sardesai.
Is it hospital after hospital now running hand to mouth? Is that going to be the situation for the next few days, or do you believe it will improve?
I think it will improve. The reason why the problem right now is persisting for a day or two is because whatever is being mobilized, you know, we hear about the trains and the special green corridor and all, they take a few hours, maybe 24 hours or so to settle down. So if we are able to curtail our demands as has been done, maybe by lockdown, we all are optimistic that, you know, if we are able to retard the number of admissions needing a large amount of oxygen, and in the meantime, the processes which have been put in place take over, I do hope, I am an eternal optimist, I think in next 24 to 36, we may start getting out of it.
सबसे पहली बात यह है कि जो हमारे दिल्ली एनसीआर की जो प्रोडक्शन है वो और आज की डेट में जो डिमांड है वो बहुत ज्यादा है. हमारी पहले इससे पहले इस पैंडेमिक से पहले मतलब इन द मंथ ऑफ फरवरी एंड जनवरी हमारी जो डिमांड थी एज पर मेडिकल एज वेल एज इंडस्ट्रियल, उसके बावजूद भी हमारी सरप्लस थी दिल्ली एनसीआर में. लेकिन ड्यू टू पैंडेमिक मेडिकल की डिमांड 10 टाइम्स ज्यादा हो गई है. इवन यहां तक कि इंडस्ट्रियल सारा का सारा बंद किया जा चुका है, उसके बावजूद भी मेडिकल की डिमांड पूरी नहीं हो पा रही. हम दिल्ली एनसीआर की बात करें, हम किसी पर्टिकुलर स्टेट की या सेंटर की बात ना करके सभी जगह यही हालत है और सभी जगह हम हैंड टू माउथ है. लेकिन आपको एक बात और बता देता हूं, बहुत अच्छी है, विद इन बहुत शॉर्टली विद इन 2-3 डेज ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होगी. क्योंकि एक्चुअली क्या है कि जितने भी क्रायोजेनिक टैंक हैं चाहे वो अदर गैसेज में है, जितने भी हमारे टैंक्स हैं, चाहे वो आर्गन में है, नाइट्रोजन में है, वो सारे के सारे कन्वर्ट करके गवर्नमेंट सारे कन्वर्ट कर रही है ऑक्सीजन में।
Unfortunately are losing their lives. Delhi is gasping for oxygen and doctors say please maintain distance to break the chain. And here we have farmers' bodies who are threatening to bring thousands of people to Delhi's borders. Is this justified?
ये बिल हमको कोरोना में ही मिला था और हमारा आंदोलन आज शुरू नहीं हुआ है, ये लगातार आंदोलन उसी दिन से चल रहा है। और ये ऊपर वाले का शुक्र मनाइए कि किसानों लोगों को ये अभी तक वहां पर 350 प्लस शहीद हो चुके हैं, किसी की भी कोरोना से मृत्यु नहीं हुई है।
आइनॉक्स के बारे में सुना है, जिसको ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई करते हैं, उन्होंने क्या कहा? उन्होंने कहा सारा डिसरप्शन जो है आप लोग कर रहे हैं, आपके जो वहां पर लोग बैठे हैं उसकी वजह से जो है मूवमेंट नहीं हो पा रहा है। हम तो अब एयरफोर्स को इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, एयरफोर्स से इसको इस्तेमाल करके हम ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई करेंगे, लेकिन आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एज ए सिटीजन, देश के नागरिक होने के नाते यही है कि आप रास्ता रोक के रखिए। कितने बीमार हॉस्पिटल में बैठे हैं, आपका ठीक है, आपका प्रोटेस्ट है, प्रोटेस्ट कोई कोने में जाके कर लीजिए, कोई और जगह दिया जा रहा है वहां कर लीजिए, रोड पे बैठने की क्या जरूरत है जहां से गाड़ियां मूवमेंट होती हैं।
Is this the time for farmers to protest? What is the view of the Delhi government and the Aam Aadmi Party on this?
Absolutely, the farmer protest should not have been elongated for this long. It was the duty of the centre to sit with the farmers, find an amicable resolution. But how can you do that under a situation where every day you are calling farmers terrorists, where every day you are delegitimizing कि ये तो farmers ही नहीं है, ये तो आतंकवादी है. You heard the members of parliament talking within the halls of the parliament that ये तो farmers ही नहीं, ये तो आतंकवादी है, नक्सलवादी है.
Point that the Aam Aadmi Party representative raises is that you are not letting trucks leave the factories or the oxygen facilities in Haryana and blaming the farmers instead.
Private hospitals have said that. Please correct. Please correct. It's the private hospitals.
Okay.
They have put
You've had to say, Mr. Shah. Let him respond now.
Correct. In fact, it is the AAP government and the representative, including Chief Minister, they are all peddling lies. They are manufacturing this kind of lies and spreading it. Fact that the Honorable Chief Minister of Delhi repeatedly on your channel and several other channels have said, not once, many times, that he has enough oxygen available with them. He has enough beds available with them. I fought with many of his colleagues, and everybody was saying that everything is available as the Chief Minister has stated, but nothing was available.